Hey all, thanks for joining me. My name is Anthony and I'll be taking us through the Traject social platform today. The purpose of this presentation is to show you not just how Traject social works, but also how it can work for you. Traject social is an all-in-one social media management solution, and its goal is to help you work quickly and efficiently. We provide tools to help you scale your company and support more customers, more profiles, and more content as you grow. Everything in our platform is organized by what we call projects, which are essentially clients or brands. The reason we organize the platform this way is so that you don't run the risk of scheduling content from one client into another, or risk having users see things that they shouldn't be seeing. Each project can have multiple users or profiles added. Now that we know how the platform is organized, let's dive in a little bit and learn about the features available to each product. The platform really breaks down into three feature sets: publishing, reporting, and engaging. On the publishing side, we provide a fully featured scheduler, which includes your calendar and the ability to compose messages. Our calendar allows you to view your project posting schedule at a glance. You are able to filter the calendar by post preset, status, posting schedules, users, or profiles. When composing messages, you can do things like add links, tag a user or add a mention, or include media, including images, videos, and GIFs. We provide a built-in media library with each project. You can connect that project to external folders like Google Drive or Dropbox, or pull content directly from our free library. Our photo editor allows you to crop images, add filters, and many other things like add text or memify an image. Once you are ready to publish your post, you are able to target any of the profiles that have been connected to this project. You can publish your post right now, save it as a draft, or use one of our advanced features like adding it to your queue. Speaking of the queue, we provide multiple posting queues or posting schedules based on the content or profiles you wish to target. We can provide reporting and analytics as well to help you build these schedules. In addition to posting content manually, we also offer tools like the bulk scheduler, content syndication, and evergreen content to help you work more efficiently and save time. Moving on to reporting, we provide you cross-channel and channel reporting capabilities. By default, the project is broken into 30 days, so everything in this visualization is set to that time period. The reports are completely customizable, so you can pick and choose which metrics you want to share with your team or client. Our cross-channel reports will provide you metrics across the social media profiles you have connected to the channel. The key metrics focus us on some high-level trends. You can interact with these charts to see what's behind the data as well. Down below, we have things like growth totals and audience growth rate. And in between, we'll have some factoids, which are sprinkled throughout the dashboard to help you understand what you're looking at. In the optimization section, you can see things like optimal posting times broken down by each channel, broken down by the day, and the hour as well. Our channel-specific reports allow you to dive in a little bit deeper on the channel-specific metrics. Our Facebook reports, for example, highlight page likes, reactions, reach, and everything related to the Facebook's engagement. It starts off with a summary, but there are a bunch of other reports available along the left-hand side. You'll have a nice chart in the middle showing you some high-level key metrics, which you are also able to send to your customers. The other channels will provide similar metrics specific to their forms of engagement. In addition to viewing the reports on the dashboard, you can also export our reports into PDF or Excel files. The reports can be generated on demand, or you can set them up to run on a recurring basis using our reporting calendar. The reporting calendar will show you all of your prior reports. When generating a report, you can add cover pages, which will allow you to add your branding to the report. You'll have the ability to design templates as well, which will allow you to include just the metrics you want. These templates can also be saved for later use as well. Scheduled reports can be delivered via email or through an external folder like Dropbox or Google. We also have a great feature called search agents, which is essentially the social media monitoring aspect of the platform. Here you can go in and add some keywords or hashtags and monitor their performance. This feature is primarily used for Twitter, but it also works for Facebook profiles in your network. You get a search result from the timeline and shows you how many keywords have, or how often the keywords have been used, and the reach of those keywords. You'll see results based on their gender and demographic information, as well as their geographical breakdown. We also have the influencers tabs, which will show you for whatever keywords and hashtags you're using, who is using them the most, and who is the most popular based on their audience size. Finally, on the engagement side, our inbox and tasks features allow you to engage with all of your channels right from one dashboard. The inbox feature will aggregate all of your notifications and engagements from all the different social media channels. You are able to create filters to help you cut through the noise. For example, you can create filters that display only direct messages or filters that display only comments. On this dashboard, you can do things like, reply, favorite, retweet, and other actions depending on the form of engagement. If you want one of your staff members to take a look at something, you can assign it to them as a task. Under the task category, you can mark it as a high priority, categorize it as a support issue, and leave some comments. Your users will then be notified that they have a task, and when they log in, they can go to the task tab directly to see what's been assigned to them. Now that we've gone through a high-level overview of the platform, the next thing to do is actually get started. Getting started is as simple as selecting your plan and signing up for one of our 14-day free trials. Our pricing is based on the plan you choose, and the plans are based on the number of social media profiles you'll need to manage. If you're looking to white label, we highly recommend you start on our Pro plan. Thanks again for taking the time to go through the platform with me. If you have any other questions, please do not hesitate to reach out directly. You can contact our team by sending an email to sales@bytraject.com. Thanks again, and I hope you have a great day.